This is stoichiometry worksheet number 3. We're going to take a look at problem number 4. Problem number 4 says, determine the mass of sodium chloride produced when 1.25 moles of chlorine gas reacts with sodium. First, we need to write out our chemical equation. We have chlorine gas. Chlorine is diatomic, so you need 2 of them. Reacts with sodium to produce sodium chloride. There we go. I need to balance my equation. Because I have 2 chlorine on the reactant side, I need a 2 in front of NaCl and also a 2 in front of the sodium. Now that it is balanced, I can continue with my equation. I am given 1.25 moles of chlorine gas. I am looking for the mass of sodium chloride. In order to change from the substance we have currently, which is chlorine gas, in order to change from chlorine gas to sodium chloride, I have to use my mole ratio from my chemical equation. On the bottom, I want the moles of chlorine, in this case 1 in the equation, so that I can cancel out those units. These units are going to cancel out. On the top, I want whatever substance I'm looking for, in this case sodium chloride. I have 2 moles of sodium chloride. Now that I have changed to moles of sodium chloride, I still need to find the mass, because that's what it's looking for. So on the bottom, I'm going to write 1 mole of sodium chloride so that I can cancel out that unit. And we know that 1 mole of any substance equals its molar mass. So the molar mass of sodium chloride is 58.4 grams of sodium chloride in 1 mole. The moles of sodium chloride are going to cancel out because there's 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom. All I need to do is multiply across both the top and the bottom, and you get 146 over 1. Your final unit is going to be whatever unit you ended with when you were doing your problem, whichever one didn't cancel out. In this case, grams of sodium chloride, which is what we were looking for in our original problem. So your final answer is going to be 146 grams of sodium chloride. Double check that you have the right number of sig figs. You were given 1.25, which has 3 sig figs, and 146 also has 3 sig figs. This type of stoichiometry is called mol-to-mass stoichiometry because we were given the number of moles and we are finding the mass of another substance.